we removed the crepe myrtle and planted a hydrangea in the same spot. After we planted it, the crepe myrtle started coming back like the Terminator. I'm afraid to use glyphosate on the crepe myrtle for fear of killing the hydrangea. What can I do? And this is Ken from Maryland. All right. So yeah, he planted the hydrangea, but guess what? There was a crepe myrtle there. And of course, it's probably throwing up all kind of shoots and suckers.
Oh, I'm sure, all kinds of
Yeah, and you
young
can see that from the
shoots.
picture.
Yeah.
So what do you think he needs to do?
Well, so I guess, I mean, there's no right and wrong answer to this, right? I guess my question would be about the relative value of your hydrangea versus your crepe myrtle. I would consider whether there's another spot that might work for your hydrangea if you really like the crepe myrtle.
I would definitely consider another spot. Yeah, depending on which one you want to have there, and if you have the right conditions for that hydrangea, of course.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yes.
Of course. But other than that, this is what I do for mine at home, right? You just have to keep cutting and pruning and cutting and pruning and
multiple applications.
Hopefully, you know, it exhausts itself with its carbohydrates. Or if you want to use glyphosate, and let's just say this, if you want to use it now, I would go with either a toothbrush, one of these little brushes, little piece of sponge, and just dab it with the glyphosate.
We don't have to always spray.
You don't have to spray it. Yeah, just pour it in a little saucer, bowl, whatever. Just dip it in there and just kind of dab it. We want you to be careful with that if you want to go that route, because you know you did mention the glyphosate.
Yeah, yeah, and there's some, you know, we can get good instructions about how to do that woody plant application. Yeah, so multiple options.
Yeah, multiple options. Do read and follow the labels. You're going to use that glyphosate. So there you have it. But yeah, find her. Yeah, which one wants to be there? You know, make sure you have the right conditions and all that kind of good stuff, and I think you'll be fine. All right. But yeah, cut. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.